Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to this 2019 V8 Vantage 8-speed auto. So this is a one-owner car that we supplied as HWM from new. Let's have a good look at the vehicle. So first of all, the colour. It's called Ultramarine black, and it's great that it's a sunny day, because this can be sort of a really dark, moody black, almost an inky black. But then when the sun hits it, perhaps you will catch the fact that it's got a real sort of navy blue to it as well. So it's a lovely colour that definitely changes in the light. I'll just move around, see if you can pick that up in the paintwork. There we go, there's some real blue. So this is a really high spec Vantage. Let me talk you through some of the spec. It's done 6,500 miles, and as I say, we supplied it from new. Details first of all, to give it that dark, moody look to go with the paintwork. It's got the black front mesh grille and a black pack, which gives you this gloss black surrounds to the front splitter that goes all the way up the side. We have these gloss black lightweight alloys. They look great, and again the calipers behind are gloss black as well, so they go really well with the look. Matte black side gill, very cool feature. And then we have black window surround coming all the way to the back, where we have black rear diffuser and black exhaust. It's a great looking car, looks really fantastic from the outside. Now pop the boot. Good sized boot in the Vantage. This separates compartments so you can load through, and you can put soft bags and maybe a coat behind the front seats. But a really good sized boot in a Vantage. It's a surprisingly practical car, easy to go away with one of these. Just looking at the near side, passenger side as it were, and these wheels are perfect, as is the paintwork. All looks fantastic. Now interior wise, this has got the black Alcantara interior, which gives it a really sporty feel. So you can see all this Alcantara over the door tops, all over the dashboard there, including the instrument binnacle, right up to Alcantara headlining, and then the seats themselves, which have black leather on the outskirts, and also these beautiful lines down the middle. You can see Vantage there embroidered. It gives it a really sporty feel with the cabin, particularly when you've got things like the armrest as well, Alcantara, and then a sports steering wheel. What a fantastic looking cabin. Now this also has 16-way adjustable seats, so it's got memory seats, it's got lumbar support, and they are heated as well. Now let me come around to the passenger side and we can look at a few more controls. So this car has Aston Martin premium audio, which gives it a great sound system, and it has all the dark finishing packs around the cabin. So you've got, for example, the dark paddles, all of the instrument controls are dark, as is the centre vents. And down the centre there, along with all of your media controls, you also have the controls for the parking cameras, which give you a bird's eye view when you're parking, which is enormously useful. So, fantastic spec car with a really sporty cabin. Overall, it's an extremely sporty looking Vantage, but in this dark, moody spec. Now, this car can be reserved on our website at hwmastonmartin.co.uk, or alternatively you can call us to discuss further. It's supplied with the remainder of the 3-year Aston Martin warranty and the remainder of the 5-year Aston Martin service pack. We can arrange contactless delivery for this car too. Thank you for watching.